Hi guys, my name is Salaboy and I will be showing here a quick video about the jBPM-Console-NG, basically built on top of UberFire, and I will be showing how to run a simple process. Here we have a process with 4 human tasks, and I will be showing, trying to show an overview about the jBPM-Console-NG main functionality right now. This is a very alpha release, but I can show the functionality and how we can build an application on top of UberFire. So this is the home screen. This is a very simple screen, and basically here we can choose what to do, and here I can choose to see the inbox, my personal inbox, for creating tasks and for managing the tasks that will be created by the process that I've just showed you. I can show you here we can create an ad hoc task that can be running outside the context of a process. This means that we will be managing this task as a personal task. For example, we can create a personal task here. When we create a task, we will have a new task instance here that we can interact with. This means that we can just edit the task, we can start it, and we can complete it if we want. Or we can access to the task form and add the specific information required to complete that task. For example, if we edit this task, we will see all the task details. We will see that it's a task that is assigned to us because we just created. We can change the priority, we can change the sub-strategies, actions and behavior. We can create subtasks for this specific task, and we can also add the task content. This means that all the content that we add here will be available to complete during the task form. For example, we can add Q1 value 1 as a task input, and Q2, this means that the user will need to fill this value when he accesses to the form. So basically we are defining the task information here, and then when we go to our inbox perspective, we will see once again the task that is in progress, and then if we click here in work, we can actually complete the task. So this is the value 2 here. We can start the task from here, or we just can complete the task here. If we complete the task and we go back to the inbox, I can show you another feature here. We have a contextual menu that allows us to go to our inbox or to do different set of actions. We will have different set of actions from here. This is a pluggable way of adding actions. And we also have the process instance perspectives. For example, if we want to start a new process, in this case we have a session running this process, and we can start a new instance of this process. We can also see the process details. The idea here is to show the process diagram in the future, but we can see that a small report about how the process looks like. For example, it has 3 different human tasks, and there are 3 different actors involved, 3 different users, and there is also some process data involved here, 3 string variables. So one of the things that we can do is we can go back to the process runtime perspective, and we can start a new process instance. We can start several process instances if we want. So we have now a new process instance here in the process instance list, and we can see the process instance details, which basically tells us the current activity, that is write a document. If you remember the process, it looks like this. We will write a document, then we will translate a document, or we will review a document, and then a script task will print the report in the output console. So if we go once again to our inbox, we will see that a task will be created to us because we are the ones that are in charge of creating this document, of writing this document, and we will see a task form where we will need to write the document. For example, initial version of the document. We will need to start the task, we will complete the task, and at this point the process will move forward. If we go to the process runtime perspective and we analyze the process, we will see that the process has moved forward. Now we are in the review and at the same time in the translate document activities, because these tasks are in parallel. We can see the process log in here, and we can see the data associated to the process. Here we will have a proof document. This is the value of this variable, and the last time that has been changed was a moment ago. Okay. So now the write document and the translate document are assigned to different users, and for this reason we will need to log out as these users in order to complete those tasks. For example, if we log out and we log in as translator, we will see Okay, so we will see that the translator inside the inbox will have a new task, and we can complete this task. We can go and access to this task, and we will see here the inputs of this task and the result. So this is the translated document. We can start this task and we can complete this task. And now if we go to the process runtime perspective, we will see that now the process instance have moved forward. This is already translated. Yes, so right now this task was executed and we are here waiting for this other task. In order to complete that task, we will need to log out and log in as a reviewer. Okay. When we log in as a reviewer, we will see another task that we will be in charge of reviewing the document that was written. We can go and work. We will need to review the document, and this is a reviewed version document. We can start, we can complete the task, and at this point, if we go to the process runtime perspective, we will see that the process was completed. If we go to the details, we can see that the end node was reached. The report was printed out in the console. In this case, I'm running this application from my IDE. That means that if we scroll down, yes, we have the report here showing us the process variables. In this case, nothing more than that. Show us the initial status of the document, then the document was translated, and also the document was reviewed. So this is a very quick demo about the current functionality of the process management console and the task management console. The main idea is to show that we can build applications pretty quickly using UberFire, and that's it basically. I will be showing more functionality and adding more functionality to this jBPM-Console-NG during the next few weeks, and I will be probably sharing some updates soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.